You must have been in a situation where you wanted to hide some confidential file on your computer. The first step that comes into our mind is to change the property of the file to hidden. But that's not gonna save us, as they can be seen by changing view option in Explorer. So today we will show you a very different method to hide your files. Here we have file.txt file. You can see in properties that its size is 54 kilobytes. And on disk is 0 kilobytes. We have other 3 files A, B and C of different types. File A is a text file. Our second file B is an image file. And our third file C is a sample movie file. We want to hide these 3 files into our previous file.txt. So let's start. We will use NTFS alternate data stream feature for our task. First, we open command prompt and go to our test directory. Type in the commands shown. By these commands we are kind of hiding each file in our target file. Now all our 3 files are hidden in our target file. If we look at the file properties, we can see that the size of the file is still same, but the size on disk has increased to 634 megabytes. Now I will delete original files. Our aim is to recover our hidden files, but for that you have to wait for my next video, in which I will show you how to extract the hidden files and delete the hidden files.